Save all display settings is what we're going to take a look at, and we can access that from settings, save all display settings, or we can just right click out on our grid and save all display settings. And this window is going to allow us to save the settings of our current display. Or we can load the original ProKitchen settings, we can load other existing settings, or we can save the settings that we have set up. So if you've gone through display settings, made a whole bunch of changes here on your design, and you haven't gone in and saved it, well, you can always come back and right click, save all display settings. Now, one thing we run across here at ProKitchen is a customer will send in their layout and they will have custom display settings set, and so we'll open their design and all the display settings, our views down here will be changed maybe, and the settings for each tab are changed, which is all fine and dandy. Absolutely can continue to use that feature. But then when you go and open the next design, if you create a new one after the design that changed everything, it's going to have the previous design settings saved for it. So for us, we use the original ProKitchen settings quite often. You may get into a design and realize, hey, I have this for a certain contractor. He needs different settings. Then you can just simply go to load settings, pull up any settings you might have. Here I've got 8 settings in here, it looks like. You can select whichever one of those settings fits and open it, and it'll change your design over. And then of course save settings. If you've made the changes already, you can come back and save them that way. So this is a handy tool to be able to swap between ProKitchen settings.